Okay, so last class we have started the chapter exponents. Did few of the questions. Okay, so going with RS, well, I'll do few more questions for you. Different type of question. Please follow those questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
-1/4 to the power -3 multiplied by -1/4 to the power -2. So what I did, the first step was supposed to make the power positive, right? So to make the power positive or exponent positive, you have to do reciprocal. So it will be -4/1. We can say 3 into 4/1, or we can write it 4 to the power 2. Here also we can write it 4. Correct? Correct? And the second
Yes,
step
sir.
was, this step I am writing just for your understanding. You don't write it in your notebook. I mean, while writing any of the questions, don't write it. It's just for your understanding. So second step is, when the base is same, the power and it is in multiplication, power gets added. So we'll do what thing? 3 plus 2 minus 4 to the power 5. So -4 to the power 5 will be, -4 to the power 5 will be, first thing is negative or positive?
Negative.
So negative.
4 to the power 5, what will be the value?
Sir, 1025. Sorry, 1024.
1024. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. This part is visible, na? Okay. Next question I'll do. -3/2 to the power 2, again to the curly bracket to the power -3. So we know that a to the power m to the power n, how can we write a m n? So here -3/2 to the power this, so 2 into -3, which is equals to -3/2 -6, correct? It will be -6, na? 2 into -3 -6. Now again you have to make negative power into positive by doing the reciprocal. So -3/2 will be reciprocal, will be -2/3 to the power 6. Now how can you write it? Now this will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive, because it is even, so it will be positive. Now we can write it 2 to the power 6 by 3 to the power 6. So what is 2 to the power 6?
So 64 by 729.
64 by 729. This will be
Sir,
the
could you repeat the last step?
2 to the power 6 by 3 to the power 6. So 2 to the
Sir,
power 6.
before that.
So this is negative and the power is, the exponent is even. So what will be the answer? In
So
negative,
positive.
pardon?
Positive.
So positive. So positive, it remains positive, and this you can write 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 6.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't start. So, like the first bracket, I have solved the first bracket and then I did the second bracket. Can we do it like that also?
That way also you can do it, will a lengthier way. Rather than that, the formula is already given. You have to apply this formula, this law. You have to apply this law to make it easy.
Okay.
Because what you will do, 3 into 3, then 2 into 3, 2 into 2, then again 3 3s are 9, 9 into 9 into 9. That also you can do it. Answer will come same. So why don't you apply the law and do it? Make it more simple. Okay. Everyone understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
others, please switch on your camera. Now, next question. 2 to the power minus 1 multiply by 5 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. Can you try it by yourself first? Ojashwini, what had happened to your camera? Last 2-3 weeks you are not switching it on. Chetna, you also. Pragya. Sanjit, today you are off. Your camera is off. Diya. Ojashwini,
Yes, sir.
so I'm not getting response from you from last few weeks. So I'm not able to understand whether you things are okay with you or not. Are
No,
you
sir, it's fine.
Sir, done, sir.
okay? Okay, put it on chat.
So
Put it on chat. Just want to see the answer first. Arjun correct. Tanishi wrong. Mohit Ram correct. Surya correct. Tanishi, please cross verify your answer. Aryan correct. Don't put it to everyone. You have to send the answer to me. Otherwise, everyone will copy paste. Everyone has sent to Surya only has sent me privately and none of you.
sir, I think by auto output, everyone.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I will disable, not to everyone, host only. Yes, now everyone is sent to me. So this question, first thing is this bracket. So first, what you have to do, there are two ways. First, I will do this way. First, you make this positive by reciprocal. So 2 the power 1 is remains 1, and this is 5 minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. Again, negative, make it positive by reciprocal. So 10 divided by this negative becomes 4. So 10 divided
40.
by 4 is multiply, we'll do it
10
multiply
into
and the
4.
reciprocal 4, which is equals to 40. This is one way. Okay, please understand this if those who haven't understood. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more way I will tell you. A to the power m into b to the power m and n, let's suppose. We can write it a to the power mn into b to the power mn. Can we write it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. So this multiplied by this becomes positive 1. This multiply by this multiply by this. Minus 1 into minus 1, positive 1. Minus 1 into 1, positive 1. 5 to the 10 into,
Sir, I did it like that only.
okay, 10 into 4, 40. Okay, both is correct. Next question. Four to the power minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 minus 1.
Sir, do we need to send the answer in chat?
Yes, please.
So it's saying that I cannot send it to you.
Is it? Not send it to me. Why? Everyone is sending.
Sir, I sent.
Sir, it's saying I
Yes.
cannot chat with you during this meeting.
Don't know then.
Yes, so for me also it's the same.
No. Pragya, Chetna, Tanishi, Arjun, your answer is correct.
So I'm
Arjun,
not
Mohit.
able to send it to you.
He can let it be. I don't know what has some has able to send and some are not able to send.
Yes, sir.
Surya, correct.
Sir, if you press like a 2 and then you put Shweta Madhav, then it will come.
So do it that way, please, everyone.
What should we do, sir?
Tell Arjun.
Sir,
Yeah.
it says that 2 everyone. You press 2 and then the host and then
Yes.
then you
So
Sir,
yeah, you are sending to
okay.
everyone. You are not supposed to send it to everyone. You have to select me.
so you have to send it to you.
Yes, Shweta Madad, and then you have to
sir,
send it.
I was able to send you, sir.
So all of you are correct. All of you are correct. Do the second one, the one which I gave you. One has already done. Shreyas has done it correctly. Shreyas has done it correctly. Surya also has done it correctly. The second question. Good, good, very good. Tanishi, correct. Ojashwini, correct. Second also question you do. Milan, please send answer also.
Sir, I sent it.
Aryan, wrong.
Sir, even I have sent it.
Aryan, wrong. Pragya, correct. Mohit Ram, correct. Ojashwini, correct. Tanishi, correct. Amitabh, correct. Okay, so first I will do this question. So again, this question remains same. You have to make it positive.
Sir, I've sent it to you.
You have to make it positive. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So divided by 3 by 2. Now 8. 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2. 3 by 8 multiply by 2 by 3. 2, 4. So 3, 3. 1 by 4. This answer is 1 by 4. Please check it where you are doing mistake. It's very simple. As of now we are giving. I'm telling you step 1 is making power positive by reciprocal. So you do reciprocal, make it positive. And then it's simple thing, evaluation. You have to simplify it. Next question, I am solving it for you. So again, power positive you have to make. So by reciprocal, 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4, 9, 16. So 20, 29. Straight answer. Got it? Now I'm giving you a word question. Please understand this question properly and then solve it. The question is, by what number should 1 by 2 to the power minus 1, by what number should this be multiplied so that the product is minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. By what number should this be multiplied so that their product becomes this?
First, should we send you the answer?
Yes, yes, please send it. No, Surya. Let me check. Yes, Surya, that's the correct answer. Pragya correct, Arjun correct, Kanchi correct. Mohit wrong. Yes, Monita wrong. Mohit Ram correct. No, Mohit, you are also wrong. Just hold on a second. Hold on a second. Chetna correct, Mohit correct. Above, Arjun correct, Pragya correct, Kanchi correct. Tanishi, you are wrong. Tanishi, you are wrong. Shreyas, you are wrong. Shreyas wrong. Amitabh correct. Mohit, Monita wrong. Ojashwini wrong. Tanishi wrong. Please check. You have done silly mistake.
So I have resent it.
Mona wrong. Shreyas right. Aryan right. Vijay right.
Sir, I have sent it
Sir,
to
I have
you
resent.
again. Can you check it?
Varun right. Monita wrong. See, the question is by what number this? My question is by what number to be multiplied so that the products become 8? What you will do?
8 by 2.
8 by 2. So here what we have to do it? By what number this be multiplied so the product become this? So what you will do? Minus 5 by 4 minus 1.
Sir, I have resent the answer. Can you check it?
Yes, Tanishi, right. Divided by 1 by 2 minus 1. Correct? Isn't it? Now, again, same thing. Same policy remains same. Negative, you have to make positive by reciprocal. So, I made it this one divided by 2. So, minus 4 by 5 multiply by 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. This is the answer. Simple.
Sir,
Yes, Pragya?
I did it in the equation form.
No, that way also you can do it. You can take it
So even
1
me.
by 2 to the power minus 1 should be multiplied by x so that it becomes minus 5 by 4 to the power 1. And again, x is equals to what? You just multiply, do it. That's
Yes,
perfectly
sir.
all right. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Next question. By what number should minus 3 by 2, this minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3, by what number should this be divided so that the quotient becomes 9 by 4 to the power minus 2?
So could you repeat once again?
What number by what number this be divided so that the quotient becomes this one? Very cautiously do what you have to divide, what you have to multiply. Sanjit, are you there today?
Yes, sir.
Not hearing your voice. No answer.
Sir, I sent you an answer.
Okay.
So even me.
Arjun right, Pragya wrong, Surya wrong. Sanjit correct. Ojashwini correct.
Sir, can I see me, sir?
I can see you, Sanjit, now. Vijay, some mistake you have done, some silly mistake you have done. Hey, Monita, what you are doing? What answer you are giving? Pragya, no, wrong. Why you are doing this? All mistakes, yeah. The question is, by what number this should be divided so that the question becomes this one? Means what? Minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by x.
Sir, I have sent you the answer. Can you check if it's right?
Tanishi, you are doing all silly mistakes. See now. So the question is this one. Do you agree? By what number should this be divided so that quotient becomes this one? Correct? Now you have to solve for x.
Yes.
Solve for x. What you can do? 3 by 2 to the power minus 3 is equals to 9 by 4 minus 2 into x. We can write. Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
same thing
Yes.
again. Negative, make it positive. So by reciprocal, 3 equals to 4 by 9 to the power 2 into x. Correct? Now, what you have to do? You can write 2 into 2. So this will become what? Negative? Negative 2 into 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 into 3. And here it will be 4 into 4 by 9 into 9 into x. So cross multiply, minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 9 into 9 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 equals to x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
3 3s are 9, gone. 3 3 gone. 2 2s are 4 gone. 2 2 gone. So x is equals to minus 3 by 2. And Monita, what you
So
have?
I did differently.
Maybe you can do like this. You will divide this by reciprocal, right?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Same thing. Same thing. Monita, how you got this 2187? Sorry, not Monita. Mohit Ram. Mohit. And Monita also. 128 by 2267. How you got this answer? I don't
Sir,
know.
one silly mistake.
Then you have to check on that. Okay. So next question. Question is minus 3 to the power 4 multiply by 5 by 3 to the power 4. You have to solve. Properly solve it. Don't make any mistake. And put it on chat.
Sir, I sent.
Yes, Arjun, correct.
Sir, I sent it to you.
Sir, I sent it.
I'll tell you. Arjun correct. Tanishi correct. Sanjit,
Sir, I sent it.
Sanjit, you cannot give it in power. You have to finally give me the right answer. You cannot give. Shreyas correct. Surya not correct. Varun correct. Mohit Ram correct. Ojashwini correct. Kanchi not correct. Chetna correct. This.
Sir, I didn't hear what is it, sir.
So this will be in positive. So 3 into 3
I sent answer.
into 3 into
Oh, nice.
5 into 5 into 5 into 5. We can write by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to the power 4 is 625. Or you can do it
Sir,
like, yes.
instead of this, we can use the laws.
Oh, yes, that's what I'm telling you. This is first. Second, Sanjit, listen to me first. Second thing is, this you can write it 3 to the power 4 multiply by 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. This gone. Again 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625. That's it. Yes, Sanjit, tell me now.
Sir, is it something I didn't hear it because I had network problem.
Next question. Minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 multiply by 9 by 16 to the power minus 3.
Sir, I've sent the answer.
Yeah, correct, Tanishi. Aryan wrong. Monita correct. Mohitram wrong. Chetna wrong. Dia wrong.
Sir, I sent it.
Sanjit, don't give me in power. You are giving me a question to solve. Varun correct. Wrong. How can you write first? Making it positive by reciprocal.
So I sent an answer. Can you please check it?
Yeah, Arjun, correct. So now 16 can you write 4 square and 9 can you write 3 square. The 4 to the power 3 into 2 6 and this into this 3 to the power 6. Correct? Sorry, this. Now this will be negative 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 multiply by 4 to the power 6 by 3 to the power 6. How can you write this? Gone and Left out 3 to the power 3. To make it more simple, I will write it like this. Minus 3 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 6 multiply by this one 4, you can write 2 to the power 2, 6 by 2 to the power 3, we can write minus 2 to the power 12 by 2 to the power 3. So what will be left out? 3 minus 6. So minus 3 to the power minus 3 multiply by 12 minus 3, 2 to the power 9. You can write minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is what? 512. 3 to the power 3 is what? 27. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I did it using some
Yeah.
other.
No problem. The answer should come same. So what we were supposed to do here, we were supposed to break it into power base of 2, which we did. Please write it. Those who have not understood, please write it and ask me.
Sir, your video is getting faster.
Next question. Acha, next, before going to next question, I will teach you the next topic. Very easy topic. Very, very, very easy topic. Please write it. Once done, just let me know.
So done.
Sir, I wrote 512 by minus 27. It's okay.
Done? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the same chapter, next topic is regarding usual and standard writing, the way of writing any number. If I tell you 100, how you will write 100? If I ask you write 1000, how you will write? If I'll ask to write 1254, 1254. Correct? This is the usual way we write it, or any other way you write?
No, sir.
This is the usual way you write. So
Yes, sir.
this is known as usual way of writing any number. Correct? This is known as usual way of writing any number. But 100, we can write like this: 1.0 or 1.0 into 10 to the power 2. This is standard way of writing. This is usual way of writing. Both meaning remains same. Okay? But this is usual. We write usually how? Like this. So remember, usual way is this. But the standard way of writing is this one. So this is what is our next topic all about. So when I give you a question 6872, 6872, this is a usual way of writing 6872. But I'll ask you to convert it into a standard form. So you have to write it 6.872 into 10 to the power. Now 10 to the power what? That is we have to learn. This will be 3. Why 3? How 3? That I will teach you. Okay. So if I say 6872.0, is this correct? Both are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Both are
Yes,
equal?
sir.
Means when you write a number, after that it is assumed that there is a decimal and then it is 000 like that. Okay. When you pull this decimal to left hand side, when you pull this decimal to left hand side, the power becomes positive. When you push this decimal to right hand side, the power becomes negative. I will make it clear by example. So first of all, understand what is standard way of writing. The standard way of writing is this one, 6, after that or whatever, after that decimal. Not, this is not the standard way of writing. This is not the standard way of writing. It should be 6.872 into 10 to the power 3. Is it clear? What is standard way and how to write it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we can
sir.
sum it up, say that m into 10 to the power n, any number written in the form of m into 10 to the power n, where m is between 1 to, it can be equal to 1 but less than 10. It cannot be equal to 10. Okay, so we can write it as m is greater than equal to 1 but less than 10. 9.99999, you can write it, but you cannot write 10 point something. Means this should be the single digit, not double. So m is in the form, m will be between 1 to 10 but not equal to 10. It can
So
be
why
equal to
can't
1.
why should it only be like that?
But that is the standard way. That is the standard way of writing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is the standard way of writing. And this n can be positive or negative, anything, any positive or negative number. So if we write it, example 2.46 into 10 to the power minus 2, or 2.45 into 10 to the power 4, these all are standard way. You can also write 1.642 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is standard way of writing a number. Okay. Now how to write these numbers? Any number, how you have to convert it into standard form or from standard form to usual form? Is this point clear? How to write standard number?
Yes, sir.
Have you written this one?
Yes,
M into 10 to the power n, where m is greater than equal to 1 and less than 10, and n is a positive or negative whole number. Negative number, you can say. N is a positive or negative natural integer. Positive or negative integer, you can write it. Now I'll tell you 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is what a usual way of writing a number. And the question is, put it in the form of a what? Put it in the form of a standard way. So how you can write it? So this means what? 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 and 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? We can write it like that. Now you are pulling the decimal to left hand side. So we will write it 1.4, and how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are pulling it to 5 places, correct? So you can write 1.4 into 10 to the power 5.
Sir, is this process for scientific notation, sir?
Yes, scientific standard, both are same. Okay, you can write it when you are pulling this decimal to left hand side by how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So 10 to the power 5 and 1.4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I should put like for that 1,04,000. So I should put decimal place only after 10, sir.
Come again.
Yes, I understood it.
What? Now next is 1 5 3 6 3 6 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So assuming that decimal is here, and you have to put it in standard form. So you can write 1.536. Okay. How many places you have taken it out? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So into 10 to the power 10. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but it could be amount of zeros, no, sir.
Sanjit, I am not able to understand what you are speaking. It's really difficult.
So it should be only 7 zeros, or it can be any amount of zeros.
This is the question I'm telling. You can have n number of zeros, but then you have to count it by how many places you have pulled it back, left hand side. Okay. Now question is 57.36. Like suppose 57.36. So we can write it in standard form. Step 1, you 5, this remains 5, and then you put it dot and 736, right? 736. Multiply by 10, you write. Till here you write. How many places you have pulled it left hand side? 1 place. So put 1. That's it. That is the standard form of writing. Okay. 2 3 2 7 3 1 2 3. So you write 2.73. 2.73 you write it. Multiply by 10 you write, and how many places you have pulled back? 1 2 3 4 5. 5. So very easily you are writing it into standard form. Diya, please try to understand also. Noting down is not the solution. You have to understand it, why it is happening. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any problem in converting from usual to standard form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now I will give you 0.636. Put it into standard form. So what we will do? We will write it 6.36. 6.36 you can write it. Multiply by again 10 you write. Till this point no problem. Now how many places it has moved?
-1.
It has moved 1 place here. It has moved. So 1. But it has moved from left to right. So it will be negative. Left to right will be negative. So -1.
-1.
In this, all this, it was moving left hand side. So positive. Now here it is moving right hand side. So it is negative. Now I will tell you how to understand it, how to remember this. I'm giving you this question. When you will multiply 2.73 into 10 to the power 5, what it will be? 2.73 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number will become big or small?
Big.
This number will become big.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, here it is positive. In this case, 6.36 into negative means you have to make positive, but that is 10 to the power 1. When you are dividing a number, then the number will become less or small, less or more, big or more, big or
Less.
less.
Less. Small.
So small, so it will be negative. You can have your own trick to remember this, when to make positive and when to make negative. I have given you 2 things. One is left and right thing. One is making big or small. This is usual form. When you are writing into standard form, you are making actually this number small. 57.36 and 5.736. Which one is small? This one is small. When you are making this small, you have to multiply with positive number. And when you are making 0.636, this is small number, and you are 6.36 is a bigger number. So when you are making a number bigger, then you have to multiply with negative. Three ways of learning or understanding or remembering it. You can choose your way of doing it. But you please tell me, did you understand this part, how to
Yes,
convert
sir.
it
Yes,
into?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the second part is from standard form to usual form, which is, if you have understood this, that is not at all a problem. So let's suppose 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is in standard form, correct? Because m is 1, between 1 and m is greater than equal to 1 or less than 10. So this is standard form. Now you have to make it in usual form. So to make it usual form, what you will do? So in that case, divide means what? You have to go left hand side. This you can write like this. This decimal will go to left hand side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 0. This is the this is the usual form. In standard form, when the power is in negative, the decimal will go left hand side. In standard form, when the power is in negative, it will go left hand side. And when in the standard form, when the power is positive, the decimal will go to right hand side. In the same question, if it is 2 into 10 to the power 5, so we can write 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative is making a number small. Negative is making a number small. Positive is making a number big. So in this, decimal will go left hand side. In this, decimal will go right hand side. When the decimal go left hand side, it means that number is becoming small. When the decimal goes right hand side, means the decimal is becoming big. This you can write 220 into 10 to the power 5. So 5 place, this decimal will go 5 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or any problem in understanding this?
Sir, I didn't understand the negative part, sir. Like how
You didn't
to
understand what?
turn it to usual number, like negative part.
When the power is in negative, that means number is small. So when you make the decimal left hand side, the number becomes less. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger or 0.01234552? Which one is bigger number? This one or this one? Tell me, Sanjay. This has 4 zeros and this has 5 zeros. Tell me, which one is bigger? Which one is a bigger number? This one, no, tell me, 1 or 2? This one, huh? Tell me. 1. Because decimal, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is bigger. So more the decimal goes left hand side, the number becomes small. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is this point clear? More the number decimal goes left hand side, the number becomes small. More the decimal goes right hand side, the number becomes big. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in negative, if this is negative means it will go left hand side. When the power is in negative, it goes left hand side. When the power is positive, it goes right hand side. Correct? Now, so when we say 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, means you can write 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5. You can take the decimal to left hand side by 5 steps. So one step is this, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So this is a usual form of writing a number. Is it, have you understood or any problem? Still you have problem?
Sir, no problem.
One more question I will do. One 1.596 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is in standard form. They have asked to write it in usual form. So minus 6 means this decimal will go left hand side, because negative 6 means number will come less. By what steps? 6 steps. So this will move this side. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, dot, and after this you run, right? That's it. This negative, this decimal has gone left hand side by how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the same question is 1.596 into 10 to the power 6, so this decimal will go right hand side. By how many steps? 6 steps. So 1, 5, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then dot 0. Is it clear now with this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you convert and give me 6.32 into 6.32 into 10 to the power minus 4 in standard form? Sorry, usual form.
So done.
Sir, over. Sir, it's 0, 0, 0. Sir, it's
Put it on chat. Put it on chat.
Sir, I've sent.
Sir, I have sent it.
Sir, I've sent it.
Now I will tell you how many are correct.
Sure, it was minus 6 or 6, sir.
Let me now tell me. Tanishi, you are correct. Ajinkya, you are wrong. Shreyas, you are wrong. Ojashwini, you are correct. Arjun, you are wrong. Pragya, you are correct. Mohit, you are correct. Mona, you are correct. Sanjit, you are correct. Shreyas, you are correct. Amitabh, correct. Aryan, wrong. Diya, correct. Vijay, correct. Chetna, wrong. Chetna, so you have to, I mean, don't know. You haven't understood, seems.
So did I get correct?
Now, see. This question 6.32 10 to power minus 3 is in standard form. You have to write it in usual form. So to put it in usual form, this is negative. The number usual form will be, this decimal will go to left hand side by 4 steps. So this is 1 step. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and then dot 3, 2. Guys, you have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros and then 6. After 6 this decimal was there. So this is 1 step. 2, 3, 4. Understood your mistake? Aryan and 1 or 2, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Arjun. This is 1 step. After that 2, 3, 4. And you have to go left hand side because this is negative. Just to understand it, for your understanding, 6.32 into 10 to the power, this will go reciprocal 4. So when you are dividing 6.32 with 10 to the power 4, the number will become less or more? Chetna? Chetna? $3.74 into 10 to the power 5 in usual form.
Sir, absent.
Sir, I've sent.
Sir, I've sent.
Varun correct, Surya correct, Mona correct, Sanjit wrong, Pragya correct, Tanishi correct, Ojashwini wrong. Why wrong? Yeah, why you are making wrong? This is positive. How you are making it left hand side? Please understand. Understand when
Was mine
negative what you have to do, in positive what you have to do. In negative you will go left hand side. Why? Because you are dividing it. Number will become less. In positive it will go right hand side. Diya correct. Ojashwini now correct. Milan correct.
So mine.
No, this answer will be 3, 7, 4. How to do it? This decimal go right hand side. By how many places? 5 places. So 1 and 2 places is 7, 4. 3, 4, 5. So this is the number.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Can you see the answer? Can you cross verify your answer, Sanjit? .912 into 10 to the power 8. Yeah, Arjun correct, Pragya correct. Shreyas, absolutely wrong. Kanchi correct, Mona correct. Correct. So here, since it is positive, this is a bigger number. So decimal will go right hand side. By how many places? 8 places. 1, 2, 3 is already there. 6, 9, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 zeros. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is 5.17 into 10 to the power 6.
Sir, send you the answer.
Nishi correct, Milan correct, Arjun correct, Diya correct, Aryan correct, Kanchi correct, Shreyas correct. So everyone is this time is doing everyone.
Even I sent.
Okay. Yeah. Now 64.32 into 10 to the power -2 in usual form.
So shouldn't be 6.432.
It's not in standard form.
I am asked to, I didn't say it's in standard form. I said put it in usual form. Yes, Ajinkya correct, Sanjit correct, Surya correct, Arjun correct, Varun wrong, Monita correct. Good. So, hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here,
So,
so it is in negative. So decimal will go left hand side. By how many places? 2 places. So this is 1 and 2. So negative 6432. This is the answer. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if I write it
Sir, I forgot to put the point.
Okay. So if I ask you, 2.2463 into standard form.
Sir, 2 point.
2463 into standard form. This is usual form.
Sir, it is 2, 4, 6, 3 into 10 to the power 3.
You write it, send it to me.
Sir, I can't type exponents on computer. I don't know how to.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Surya. See here. This question, how you have to put it in standard form, that is, first you have to write 463. This means what? Decimal is here, correct? So how many places it has moved left hand side? It has moved 3 step left hand side. So into 10 to the power 3. It has moved left hand side. So when you will multiply, you put it into standard form now and see whether your answer is correct or not. After making this in standard form, you put it in usual form and see whether your answer is correct or not. You'll get your answer.
So it comes 2463.
Correct. So that's the correct. Okay. I will give you one more question. 281.4. Put it into standard form.
Sir, send it.
When I send.
Yes, correct. Everyone correct. So this you can write it 2.814. Decimal place you have moved left hand side. So it will be 10 to the power 2. Bigger number you are making small. Bigger number you are making small. So you have to multiply with a positive power. So is it clear, guys? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you are supposed to finish your exercise of your respective
sir.
book and RS Agarwal and submit it before next class. And I will take up your doubts. All the doubts I will take it up.
So which exercise?
Sir, which exercise?
There are 2 exercises. One is you have done and few must be left out. And the next exercise. Means that chapter you have to finish it off.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And next class I'll take all your doubts.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.